Take a look at those who are trying to get married and they really are struggling. It's happening. The other day we were speaking about marriage somewhere and I said something interesting. Someone came and told me that was so true. Back in the day, even the time when I got married in the 90s and earlier, because some of you obviously are older than me, it was easier to get married, but there were less choices. We knew less people. There was no social media. The parents came about and said, right, I found someone for you. Say, hey, mashallah, where? They say, here, meet once or twice and next thing, mashallah, you're in the masjid and you're married. You only knew how many people? About 20, 30 in my life, families. Today we know 1 million, but it's more difficult to get married. Do you agree? Subhanallah. It goes to show how the world has changed, but it's becoming tricky. The youngsters are smiling because they know you're so right. On your social media, you've got so many people, but guess what? It's not easy, man, to get married. I know so many, but this is not wife material, this is not husband material, this is problematic, I heard this about this and that about that. May Allah Almighty make it easy for us, make a lot of dua. You know what I believe is the solution for that? As funny as it may sound, the solution for that is for you and I to correct ourselves. Don't wait until others correct themselves. Don't say, hey, it's very hard to find a spouse. Ask yourself, are you a good spouse? People will find you. Because many times you have youngsters and even young girls, they say, I'm looking for a spouse. They must be like this, like this, like this, like they draw a list that's prohibitive. Such that I tell them, I found a guy. They say, but he's not looking for a girl like you. Allahu Akbar. Did you hear that? So when you want a nice long list of things, ask yourself, am I a person whom, when we do find this person, would he really be interested in someone like me? It goes both ways. No, I just gave you one example, but both ways. So be a good person. Develop your character, your conduct. Lower your gaze. May Allah Almighty grant us goodness and ease.